In today's video, I will walk you through how to whiten teeth in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. The first thing you want to do is target the yellow tones in the teeth. In the Hue and Saturation Properties panel, go to the Color drop-down menu and choose Yellow. Once yellow is selected, lower the saturation slider to reduce the yellow color in the teeth. You do not need to drag it too far. Small adjustments usually look more natural. After that, increase the lightness slider slightly to brighten the teeth and give them a cleaner appearance. At this stage, the whitening effect is mostly complete, and you should already notice a big difference in the image. Now, take a closer look at the photo. You may notice that some areas of the skin are also being affected, because skin naturally contains yellow tones as well. To correct that, select the mask on the adjustment layer and press Ctrl or Command+I on your keyboard. This inverts the mask and temporarily hides the whitening effect. Next, choose the brush tool and make sure white is set as the foreground color. Use a soft round brush, then begin painting directly over the teeth to reveal the whitening effect only where you want it. You do not need to paint perfectly around every edge. Brush naturally across the teeth until the result looks clean and balanced. If you want to refine the result even more, double-click on the Hue and Saturation thumbnail to reopen the properties. Go back to the Yellow channel and look at the color range sliders at the bottom. These sliders control which shades of yellow are included in the adjustment. If some parts of the teeth still appear too yellow, continue adjusting the range until the color looks more even across the smile. If you notice the gums becoming too bright or affected by the adjustment, narrow the range slightly so the whitening stays focused mainly on the teeth. Spend a little time making small adjustments back and forth until everything looks natural. Subtle changes usually create the best final result. And that is how you whiten teeth in Photoshop. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Photoshop tutorials and creative tips in future videos.